Barber Surgeons Guild had a really cool barbershop in the front. It was a vibe. I went to the back and I was like, wow, this is where I'm gonna get treated? Snacks? TV? This is VIP, man. The whole staff was amazing and they really made you feel welcomed. It was a really relaxed environment and it didn't even feel like I was getting a procedure done, honestly. I was really surprised to learn that the average man looking for a hair transplant was 32. And that made me feel a lot better about myself. The process was really smooth and I didn't feel any pain at all. I let the robot do its thing. I let the doctor do his thing. I let the staff do their thing. They explained every single detail to me, so I didn't have to wonder what they were doing to my hair or to my head. Barbers Surgeons Guild isn't just any medical clinic. They know style and they know trends. That's why I chose them to do my hair restoration.